Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select draw, select the color black, select the perspective, select the 3D shape, select the angle, select a sticker, select another sticker, then select other color. Change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.